At SEED 2019, experts from the scientific ecosystem, lawyers, librarians, funding organizations, and researchers were brought together to make impact by co-creating the future of science and blockchain technology. SEED is a collaborative event where people from different backgrounds work on new technological solutions for research through conferences and think tanks. At SEED, you'll learn the fundamentals of peer-to-peer technologies, expand your network, get inspired, and boost your career with your newly acquired skills.
It's been really brilliant. I think the kind of people that are here are so intellectual, they're expert in their fields, so I think it's very intellectually challenging. The reason why I'm here is I'm very interested in helping innovators, and I thought open science is a way to enable that to happen.
This situation where all different stakeholders from the scientific research process were brought together, so publishers and people who are working in grant organizations or funding agencies, and also people who are working for software development in blockchain applications. I thought that this would be a great opportunity for me to investigate how these people could interact with each other.
For people like me who don't know anything about blockchain, and for a large number of people, I think it was very, very helpful. I think there's some exciting possibilities out there.
Blockchain would not only be able to complement the existing patent system, but it could actually be replacing it. But I think that's far in the future.
I think the applications of blockchain are quite wide. You can talk about tokens for science and research, you can talk about new business models, you can talk about disintermediation of publishers, for example. I think time will tell.
If science is funded through taxpayers' money, then the taxpayer is the payer. And so I think they have a right to the product. So it should, per definition, be open. Anything that's financed through taxpayer money, any research, any data that's produced through that should, per definition, be open. Everything else sort of doesn't make any sense.
So open science is important because it represents a sort of more efficient way of doing research based on new technologies and solutions that are available to us.
We are currently at the library at a point where we are trying to find our way through all the new technology developments and trying to figure out which one might be most relevant to us and which one we can apply in order to deliver the most value for the users.
I think it's time to experiment with other modes of doing research.
Tomorrow and the after sessions will really enable that for everybody to process this information and come up with some solutions that can actually work.
So we are trying to democratize the publishing process.
This is a blockchain-based system for research employing tokenization to incentivize good research practices.
Core is a metric, and it is a confident and open research analytics metric.
It's the new platform for seeding science projects for junior researchers.
It's an easy access platform both for helping researchers to get funds and for funders to allocate money. So what we're changing is that now the market goes both ways.
This will be the standard engine, or standard search engine for research patents.
Because of these fluxes of manuscripts, or the fact that peer review maybe doesn't work, the replicability problems that are coming out and becoming like feeding the public and making them scared are sort of showing that it might blow up this whole system sooner or later if we don't change anything.